When I think downtown San Jose, I think of so many things. I think of great big companies like Adobe and the like, Google planning to build its largest US campus. I think of the farmers market at San Pedro Square, all the development that's gone on here over the last 5, 10, 15, and 20 years. And I just think of nightlife, I think of vibrancy, and I think about people walking around and biking, and especially right here at San Pedro Circle. I also think about great condos. Hey everybody, it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Intero Real Estate Services. I'm at 185 San Pedro Circle, downtown San Jose, 95110. And this place is in great condition. It's ready for anybody to move into. Super spacious, 1,242 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, both of which are in great condition. We have an updated kitchen with brand new stainless steel appliances, including a wine fridge. And of course, situated in a complex where all of the landscaping is luscious and green, and a sparkling community swimming pool. Everybody knows that when you're buying your first place, or if you're buying an investment property, you want it to be as move-in ready as possible, and this is that. The whole place has been repainted on the inside. You have new high-end laminate flooring, new appliances, lots of overhead lighting, tons of light that comes in from the windows and from the sliding glass door to my left. We have 9-foot ceilings, which are a little bit taller than the average, gives you a much bigger, more open feel to the floor plan. I also like how the patio, the family living room, dining room, and kitchen are all sort of one, which makes this great for gatherings. If you want to have your Super Bowl party here, or if you just want to have friends over for a nice evening dinner party. Lots of updates on this property. You have tall baseboards, you have newer doors, you have newer hardware, and of course, when you buy a property like this, the level of maintenance that's going to be required in the future is definitely a key factor. This already has double pane windows. It already has central air conditioning. It's just in really good shape, ready for you to just move right into. Totally oversized and well-used master bedroom, great master bathroom and walk-in closet. The second bedroom and second bathroom are also totally ample size for a guest or for that other family member. And finally, one of my favorite features, it has an attached garage and a separate laundry room. So this is like living in a house, but at the cost of a condo. All right, within the complex, you're really close to the community pool, but not close enough to hear it. Very nice, very clean setting for you to have friends over or just to take advantage of as the homeowner. I also like the views of the Greenbelt, which really make this a nice place to sit and relax. We're really close to the central business and shopping district of downtown, really close to Japantown as well, not to mention close to the courthouse. There's been the recent addition of San Pedro Market, which is absolutely a stunning place to hang out. Bars, shopping, dining, all in one place, not to mention a farmer's market on Fridays. And for you sports fans, you can watch your favorites there on the big screen TVs, or you can pregame before you head down to the Shark Tank, which is just down the street. Not far away from San Jose State, and actually technically not too far away from Santa Clara University either. San Jose Airport, so don't be alarmed if a lot of your family members ask you to pick them up from the airport when they arrive into town. So from a commute standpoint, downtown San Jose is great because there's a lot of jobs here. Everything from tech like Adobe to government like the city of San Jose to the college like San Jose State University. There's also utility companies like AT&T, all of which have a lot of jobs right here in downtown San Jose, as well as the future of Google. Google still plans to build their largest US campus right in downtown San Jose. But in addition to that, it's a great commute location if your job is elsewhere like on the peninsula. You have the light rail, Caltrain. You also have 87, 101, and 280 all within a short distance of here that can take you to anywhere on the peninsula where you have Apple, Google, Facebook, and all the companies that have made Silicon Valley world famous. So if you want to have a great commute location, an affordable price, reasonable HOA fees, and a great place to live, this is where it's at 185 San Pedro Circle in San Jose. If you have any questions about this property or any real estate related matter, please feel free to give me a call or send me a message on the number that's on the screen. Look forward to seeing you at the open houses.